I'm shocked at this because you know that Mary Barr had been saying, the CEO, look, we need all the money we can get because you get a downturn. Now they've reached this number, $20 billion kitty, where they don't want to go below. Anything above $20 billion is going to be returned to shareholders. David, this buyback, my charitable trust owns this. It has been unfortunate so far. Not anymore. We're now up on it. But I do think that what that means is there's $10 billion total. Phil LeBeau's over in Europe. He has great stuff on this. But the fact is, they rolled Barr up. They rolled her. She must be a little more optimistic than we thought, or alternatively, they really didn't have any use of the capital.
Right. Well, we believe an initial 5 billion share buyback is good for our owners. This is on the conference call. It began at 8:30, by the way, Eastern time. I'm reading some of the headlines here. She said the core vehicle side of the business and China equity driving strong returns with medium risk. Given their balance sheets in good shape, the risk reward does not favor deploying cash toward the balance sheet at this time. Again, to Jim's point,
right.
$20 billion is where they will be. They had been above that, and Mr. Wilson had asked the question, do you really need to have that much cash in your balance sheet? Even if you're break even, you tell us in a downturn. These are some of the conversations I'd had with Mr. Wilson previously. Why in the world
You've had conversations with Mr. Wilson.
Yes, some time ago.
Dennis.
Yeah, got it. Oh, right, okay. That was a little before my time.
It's okay.
So GM shares, you're above where you bought it?
Yeah, I mean, the thing it's just been terrific.
Yeah, what's it been, 2 years? How many years?
Well, it took a little time. Mr. Bass got me all excited about it, and he's going to end up doing well.
I don't know about that.
Frank Brosen's going to end up doing well. High-end fellow who's involved in this thing.
Brosen's was the main engine, if
and
you will, behind
people
this.
who don't know Frank Brosen should know that this is a man who is not one of these boisterous, look at me guys. He's the opposite.
Which is why they had the structure they did, and Mr. Wilson was the public face of their approaches to GM about capital allocation.
It's big. It's big that they convinced them to do this because it does show a degree of confidence in the 17 million units that might be sold. It's a big degree of confidence in the fact that Europe might turn around because, boy, Europe's been horrendous. I don't know what it says about Latin America. Latin America's, I'm watching this PBR and I keep thinking, there's really going to be one left when we're finished. Pabst Blue Ribbon.
Hey YouTube fans, I'm Landon Dowdy from CNBC. Thank you so much for checking out our channel. You can subscribe by clicking right here to check out the latest Mad Money CEO interviews, market news, financial advice, and product unboxing. Enjoy!